everyone, I'm Alice and welcome back to Daily Challenges. It's monsoon season and it's raining out there. Everything is so romantic and people tend to love corn recipes in this season, like roasted corn, butter corn, cheese corn and all this kind of recipes. So today I'm here with not one, not two, not three, but 4 corn recipes. Yes, I'll be teaching you simple and easy, quick to make corn recipes, and without any further ado, let's get started. Now I have taken 4 corn as I'm making 4 recipes, and we will be removing the corn. Now when all the corn is separated, we have to boil this. Now we have kept some water to boil, and now we'll be adding some salt to it. When the water starts to boil, you have to add your corn inside. Now as you can see, the corn is properly boiled, and now we have to drain out the water. Now you can see we have boiled the corn, and now we'll be dividing this into 2 portions. So we'll separate this. Now the first thing that we are going to make is crispy corn. For that we'll be adding corn flour into it. Stuck. Why do this thing happen to me? I don't know. Okay, 2 and 3. If it is not enough, we'll be adding 1 more teaspoon. Now we'll mix this all together. Now we'll be adding some salt to taste. A little bit of garam masala, some dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, now last but not the least, we'll be adding some pepper powder. Now we'll mix this all well. When the oil is heated up, just add 1 corn and see whether it is properly heated up or not. And you can see all the bubbles coming out. That means this is a perfect temperature. And now we'll be adding a corn inside. Be very careful because sometimes the corn, it bursts, and just don't be very close to the gas or else it'll fly and come on you. Now we'll be removing our corn. Now we'll keep this to cool down a bit. By the time we'll be making 2 recipes. First we'll be separating the half. Now the first thing that we are making is cheese chili corn. So now we'll be adding some butter Remember, you have to do this while the corn is hot. You will cover this so that the butter melts. Now we'll be adding some mayonnaise. Now we'll be adding some Szechuan sauce. Now we'll be adding a little bit of pepper and some salt. And now the last ingredient, that is cheese. Now we'll mix everything up. And now we'll be removing this in a serving bowl. And our chili cheese corn is ready. Now you can use a bit of cheese for garnishing, but this is optional. Ta-da! Our chili cheese corn is ready. Now we are going to be making the most simple recipe, that is masala corn. And for that, the first thing that we need is butter. Now as the corn is very hot from the inside, I'll just be making a well and go inside. Okay, now this will melt. By the time we'll be adding our ingredients, the first thing that we have to add is salt, some chili powder. Now you have to add chaat masala, and you can also add peri peri masala. I have peri peri available. If you have chaat masala, please use that. Now we'll mix everything together. And ta-da! Our masala corn is ready. Now the first thing that we have to do is we have to blend the corn, but we do not have to make a fine paste. It should be roughly blend. Now we'll remove this in a separate bowl. Now the first thing that we have to add is salt. Now we'll be adding some red chili powder, some garam masala and amchur powder, that is dry mango powder. Now we'll be adding freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now we'll give it a quick mix. Now we'll be adding some rice flour. This is going to be working as a binding agent. I have taken 2 tablespoons. And now we'll mix everything till it is well combined. Now as you can see, everything is well combined. The consistency is also very good, exactly what we need. And now it is time for deep fry. Now I'm using the same oil that I used to fry the corns. And now we'll be adding pakodas inside. Now we are going to be making our Chinese crispy corn. For that I have heated up the oil, and we can check if the oil is hot or not. Now we'll be adding some garlic, finely chopped. Now we'll be adding some finely chopped onions. A pinch of salt. And we'll saute this and let it cook, but not completely. We want it just translucent. Now you can see it is not properly cooked. And now we'll be adding some finely chopped carrots. And if you have capsicum available at your home, you can add that too. Now remember, we do not want anything to be completely cooked. Everything should be half cooked. And now we'll be adding some pepper. Some green chili sauce. Some soya sauce. And Szechuan chutney is optional. If you do not have this, that's okay. I'll just be adding half a tablespoon. Now mix everything together. Now remember, you do not have to put extra salt in this because your corn already has salt, and we have already put salt in this too while cooking the onions. So now it's time to put our corn inside. And now mix everything together. And your Chinese crispy corn is ready. Recipes are ready to be served. As you can see, it is very simple and very easy recipes. You can try it out at home and you can enjoy your monsoon season. I'll be posting a bunch of photos and videos on Instagram as well. You know we have an Instagram page and I'll be putting a link down below, so you can go follow us on Instagram as well. And our YouTube family is growing day by day. I've been getting a lot of support, lot of love, lot of compliments from you guys. So thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. Please keep supporting like this. If you try out my recipes, please send me a photo on Instagram. I just love to see your creation. It makes my day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.